If you want to track how long clients take to accept proposals, you're in the right place. This quick guide will show you exactly how to do it so you can streamline your follow-up process and close more deals faster. Stick around, because at the end, I'll share a super helpful tool that you can start using with an exclusive free trial, just for my viewers. When you're managing multiple clients, it can be a hassle to track how long it takes for them to accept proposals. Not only does this affect your workflow, but it can also give you insights into how to improve your sales process. So let's get into it. The easiest way to track how long clients take to accept proposals is by using proposal software that has built-in tracking features. This software allows you to see when your client first opened the proposal and when they finally accept it, which gives you a clear timeline of how long the decision process is taking. This data is crucial for adjusting your follow-up strategy and understanding client behavior better. Here's how to set it up. First, create your proposal using your chosen software. Make sure it's detailed and clear with all the necessary information. Once the proposal is sent, the software will automatically track when the client views it. Most proposal tools even send you an alert when a client opens it, so you don't have to guess when to follow up. You'll also want to configure follow-up reminders within the software. These can be set to notify you when the proposal has been viewed but not yet accepted. This is where tracking how long clients take to accept proposals becomes really useful, because you can set reminders for the perfect time to nudge them before they forget or get distracted by other tasks. Next, look at the analytics the software provides. It will show you the exact duration it took your client to accept the proposal. This is valuable data because it helps you spot trends. Are clients typically taking longer during certain months? Does the type of proposal influence how quickly they sign? With this data, you can improve your proposals, make better predictions, and ultimately close more deals. I've tested all the popular options out there, and the software I'm recommending today has the best tracking features, so you won't miss a thing. And, as a viewer of my channel, you'll get an exclusive free trial to follow along with the tool. Check out the link in the description below for that. Now, to make sure you're tracking how long clients take to accept proposals correctly, here's your key takeaway. Use tracking software to automate the process, set up follow-up reminders, and analyze the data to refine your sales strategy. Knowing how long clients are taking will help you streamline your workflow and close deals faster. Quick revision. First, choose proposal software with tracking features. Set up automatic alerts for when clients open the proposal. Use reminders to follow up and analyze the time it takes for clients to accept the proposal to spot trends. Don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial in the description. It'll help you track how long clients take to accept proposals and make your sales process a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching.